This is Bruce. Come on, Bruce. Come on. Camera shy. Typical. Come on, Bruce. Bruce. Can't hide from the camera, you know. Here's a kiss. Thank you. Bruce. Kiss, please. Thank you. That's the nose ring. Come on. Come with me. Step up. Hey, little bugger. Okay, you're going onto my head. No shitting. You're a crazy bird. So Bruce is actually a female, but Jace decided to call her Bruce when she first came in. I had read her, and he decided that she was a boy because he's obsessed with everything being boys and nothing being a girl. Even Olivia gets called Boyhead. So we decided it's Bruce Jenner, isn't it? Should really call you Caitlin, because I think that's what she's called now. Come on. Hey. Just love sitting on this bit behind me. Come on. Bugger. You're playing now, huh? Just don't leave me. Don't go far, do you? The door's open so she could go around the flat. But she doesn't choose to. She chooses to stay with her mummy. Well, you're getting pissed off at me now, aren't you? Where are you? Come on. Let's show everyone how cute you are. Say hi. Say hi. Say I'm a little fluffy monkey. Who's that? Is that you? You're so pretty. You're so pretty. Little bugger. So whenever you're feeling down, just get yourself a budgie. It'll cheer you up a lot. Don't actually just get yourself a budgie because you're feeling down. You can borrow one of mine. I've got like 60 outside or something. Maybe not that many anymore. I used to have 60, over 60. And then I don't have as many now. I think I've got about 30. Yeah. We'll be going to feed them and stuff soon, so you'll see that. Hey Bruce. Pretty bird. Weird. Bruce, you're not going to play for the camera? No? Bruce. I have to put the dogs outside when Bruce comes out. Tilly especially. I don't think I've shown you Tilly yet. She's a bird killer. She got into my aviary once, beginning of summer. She killed about 13 birds. She's just a small little ass raptor. And I was rushing from going into the aviary to going out. And Jace was obviously in the house. I didn't realise I'd locked her in the aviary with me. She must have snuck in behind me, and I quickly shut, obviously, and went off on my way. And then Jace couldn't find her. And then he rung me while I was out saying, you best come home. Couldn't find Tilly, and I found her. She's killed most of your birds, so it's really upsetting. The thing is, obviously I breed exhibition budgies, so I'd spent a lot of time and a lot of effort like hand rearing chicks. Most of them are parent reared, but sometimes it's a bit overwhelming for them, so I take over and rear them myself. So a lot of them are like hand reared, and a lot of them were good showbirds that would have done me well this year. Obviously we've had no shows this year because of the pandemic, but yeah, so it was a bit of a bummer, but I was supposed to be pairing up, yes, well, sorting everything out ready for pairing up yesterday, but I didn't really get round to it. I was feeling a bit rubbish, so I'm going to go in today. I've got some new nest boxes that I'm going to put up, and see if I can fit into the cages actually. They seem a bit big, but I'm sure I'll make it work. And then hopefully get paired up for the winter and get some chicks on the go. What do you think to that, Bruce? You're only like 6 months old, is Bruce? And I don't keep pets. They're usually straight outside in the garden, in the aviary, not flying loose in the garden. But not Bruce. Jace decided no, Bruce is staying in the house. So I was like, right, okay. So we've got Bruce, nice big cage, and she comes out for about an hour every day, and maybe twice a day. Would have her out all the time, but obviously dogs and the cat, it's not safe. But you tweet to us, don't we? We sit and talk to you. Come on, come see your mum. Who's a little birdie? Who's a little birdie? He's a little birdie. He's a cuddle. He's a big cuddle. Kiss. She's obsessed with my nose ring as well. So she's like, kiss. 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 She's got my nose ring. I love Mummy's nose ring, but it hurts sometimes because you sometimes nick my nose instead. Kiss. Kiss, kiss. And if I start ignoring her as well, she'll start tweeting behind me and getting really loud and annoying. So I have to give her attention constantly when she's out. Don't I, bugger lugs? Do you want to see everybody? Who's this? Say hi. Say hi. Hey, Bruce. Hey, Bruce. Ooh, shake your tail feathers.
Oh, you got the feeling that I wanna feel.